In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on Alibaba.com. So if you want to add your phone number on Alibaba.com, let me show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, click on this your profile jar icon. Once you click on it, you're going to see secure mobile number here. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to wait for it to load. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, it has done. Now you can see click on mobile number and you enter the number that you wanted to add to your Alibaba, and make sure you put the correct phone number because they're going to send a verification code to that number. After that, click on send and it's going to, so now you can see there is a security to this. Once you click on send, put the security code and click on submit, and you're going to be able to submit your and put your mobile number on your Alibaba.com. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.